Well, let's do some drawings, not constructions. And we are going to revisit our friends, the perpendicular bisectors. You remember those guys. And, well, this drawing, I've got a random triangle here, and I've got these given midpoints. Well, that's going to make it a lot easier if we're just drawing. See, remember, we're going to do the construction later. Just draw now with good old Sammy straight edge, and you're just going to take your straight edge and you're just going to square it up. This is what I mean by squaring it up. Just kind of line it up like this, just like a good carpenter would, and then you're going to run it alongside, leave enough room for the width of your pencil to travel along the straight edge, and then you draw it, wah, just there, beautiful, and you're done. Well, you can put the tick marks in there if that makes you feel good, and then of course you're going to square up to the other sides, and line that thing up, line it up like that, square that bad boy up, and there you go. Line it up there, and bingo, you got another one. Pretty bad simulation there. I should have done that. Okay, a little bit better. Put in the tick marks if you want, and well, your teacher will say you only have to do it twice, but I guess we're going to do all three sides because we believe in, what is that word? Oh yeah, we want to be thorough. So even though it's a drawing, we're just going to square this up like that, like we would with a ruler, because it is a ruler. And we're going to line up right there, and we're going to draw this segment like that. And we're done with the ruler. Done. Done, done, done. We could put in those tick marks if we wanted, and you can see that these three perpendicular bisectors all meet at one point. Well, that's the whole point of this thing. And we are going to know this as the circumcenter. And that happens to be the point of concurrency for these three perpendicular bisectors. Heavens to Murgatroyds, I forgot to give you the definition. Well, you probably remember that. Perpendicular bisector divides a segment into two congruent segments and is perpendicular to that segment. Hey, pretty good, huh? So now, one thing remains. Even though this is a drawing, we're going to pull out our handy dandy compass, and we're going to stick the needle right there, ouch, and then we're going to line up the pencil so that it passes through one point, and then we're just going to walk around like that, and there you have it. And it starts to make more sense. The circumcenter, because now this compass is circumnavigating around and going through, touching the 3 points of that triangle. So we've got a worksheet. We're going to do this a bunch more times, and well, give it a go. That's it for your instructions.